Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, all you need to do is to just open keypad on your device here and then enter secret codes here. So the first code for today will be asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk pound asterisk, and this is the phone information menu. You have like lots of different informations about your device. You can see usage statistics of different apps, and you get some Wi-Fi information and configuration too, so it could be useful. The next code will be asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. This is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view some of the information about your Wi-Fi connection, I guess, so it could be useful too. The next code will be asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And this is the calendar info, so if you have any calendars added on your device, they will be displayed here, obviously. The next code will be asterisk pound 06 pound, and this is the code which displays your email information and also serial number. We can try out maybe this code too and see regulatory information, these stickers. And that's all the codes which I know personally. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.